Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Cordova Mastering Grammar chapter number 4 nouns. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, sentences, nouns, gender. So here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here nouns, number. So here some rules have been provided. So just you have to remember the rules so that you can easily change from singular into plural. Okay. And there are also some special rules have been provided. Some nouns that can only be used as singular, and also there are some nouns that only can be used as plural. So here write the plural form of the following. Okay. So here goods. As you know, there are two vowel letters in this word goods, double O. So here just you have to remove double O and add double E. Okay, goods. Then next here jeans. So there are like some nouns: jeans, binoculars, spectacles, gloves, scissors. They always take plural form and they have the same form, right? So here the plural form of jeans will be remain same, jeans. Then next here furniture. The furniture is always used as a singular, so it doesn't have any plural. So don't add here s. Furniture, here it will remain same, furniture. Then cattle, like cattle, sheep, they are always used as a plural. They don't have any other forms. Don't write here. So here don't add here s, cattles. This will be wrong. So here cattle, plural form same, cattle. Then next here man, servant. So man, its plural will be men, and servant, its plural servants. Men, servants. Then next sister-in-law. So here just you have to add s with the head noun. So here head noun, you know, sister. So here just you have to add s. Sisters-in-law. Don't write sister-in-laws. This will be wrong. Then next here aircraft. So here aircraft plural same, aircraft. And here also deer, same plural form, deer. Don't write deers. Okay. So here deer, sheep, fish, dozen, score have the same form of singular or plural form, right? Okay, so here some just look at the above example. Some nouns have the same plural and singular form here. Scenery, furniture. Don't write furnitures. Information, not information. Advice, not advices. Aircraft. Okay. So here all the nouns are provided. Okay. So here aircraft remains same. Clear? Then next here read the following sentences and change the nouns printed in bold to their plural form. Make any other changes if required. So here the lady told the child an interesting tale. Okay, so here you have to write children. Okay, child. So here you have to write children. The lady told the children. So you have to also erase here an children interesting tales. Okay, interesting tales. The next here Jagan's answer was not correct. So here answer will change its answer will change into plural form answers. Okay, and here other necessary changes. So here was will change into were. Clear? Jagan's answers were not correct. The next here the old house is made of stone. So here the old houses. So here plural of houses, and plural of each are, and stone plural stones. The next here this knife is quite sharp. This plural these, knife plural knives, is plural are. These knives are quite sharp. The next here the scenery is beautiful. Okay, so it has the same form. Okay, it's a singular plural. This the scenery is beautiful. Don't write the sceneries are beautiful. This will be wrong. So here as you have already, here the rule is already mentioned here. Okay, here scenery. The scenery is appealing to the eyes. Don't write the sceneries are. This will be wrong. As the rule says, scenery is used as a singular, not a plural. Okay, the scenery is, not the sceneries are. Okay, so here it will remain same. The scenery is beautiful, its plural will remain same. Then next, my mother said that cactus grows in the desert. So here cactus plural cacti, okay, and grows it will change into plural grow. My mother said that cacti grow in the desert. The next, the army was told to march forward. So here the armies were told, right? So here you have to write army plural armies, was plural were. Then next here, the lady was in a cheerful mood. So here plural of lady, ladies, plural of was were, the ladies were in a cheerful mood. Clear? Then next here, read the following sentences and change the nouns printed in bold into singular form. Make any changes if required. So here the war heroes were given a standing ovation. So here heroes, singular hero, were singular was. The next, mathematics requires much practice. So here it will remain same. Okay, mathematics, don't change here. Mathematics requires much practice. The next here, there are dozens of eggs kept in the basket. Okay, so here there are dozens of eggs kept in the basket. So there is no need to change. Okay, so there are dozens. So if it mentions like there are 2 dozens, okay, so here you have to make it correct, 2 dozen, not 2 dozens. But here it mentions there are dozens of eggs. Okay, so here you don't need to change anything. The sentence is already in correct form. Then next, the daughters-in-law prepared dinner for the guest. So here you have to erase S. Okay, the daughter-in-law. Then next here, the commanders-in-chief gave orders to the soldiers. So here commander, not commanders. So here you have to use singular, just you have to erase S. Then next here, the cacti grow very slowly. So here you have to write the cactus. Okay, the cactus grows. Then next, the diaries were given to the children. Diaries is singular diary, right? And we are singular was. The diary was given to the children. Then next here, she went to the dentist to get her teeth extracted. So here teeth singular, tooth. Okay. Then next, paper should not be wasted. So here it remains same. Don't need to change anything. Okay. So here you have to write paper should not be wasted. I kept a dozen gift wrapping sheets in the dryer. So here the sentence is already in correct form. Don't need to change anything. Clear? Then next here, use the correct word from brackets to fill in the blanks. The news always is, don't use are. The policy are, not is. If it is the question is given, right, the policeman is, but the police are. The next, the scissors are, not is. Like binoculars are, gloves are, trousers are. Similarly, scissors are. The trousers are washed and ironed. The next, the furniture is kept. Okay. The next, the diagnosis is not correct. The next here, wood is generally used to make strong doors. The next here, to teach. So here to teach you have to write plural, not is. Okay, are. To teach are added to other letters to form the word abstract. The next here, fill in the blanks with plural form of nouns given in the brackets. All the girls received their new dresses. Okay. So there is mentioned, so you have to use here plural noun. There are many metropolitan, so you have to use plural. Cities. One of the volcanoes in Java erupted, so you have to write here plural. Okay, volcanoes. The next, the shelves. Okay, shelves were full of books. Their shelves singular, plural shelves. The next, they clicked a lot of photos, right? The next year, earlier there were few. You have to write here women. Okay, women lawyers. Women. Then lawyers. Okay, just you have to add here s, and here you have to change a into e. Women, lawyers. I kept all the albums. So here plural of albums. The next, Rohan spotted many mongooses. Okay, mongooses. So just you have to add here s to make it plural. The next here, solve the puzzle with the help of the clues given below. So here down, singular of horses, horses, so here horse. Okay, then next down, plural of deer, plural of deer, same deer. Then next down, plural of story, 3 here. Okay, stories. Then next plural of valley, so here valleys. Then next plural of sheep, remain same, sheep. Then next here across, singular of children, child. Then next here plural of roof, roofs, just you have to add here s. Then next here plural of thief, so you have to just okay, vs, add vs here. Plural of hero, so here you have to add es, heroes. Then next plural of echo, echoes, just you have to add es. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.